Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on HONOR Magic8 Pro. So first, go into the settings, then battery. And here we have power saving mode, and we can automatically enable power saving mode. And when this is enabled, this mode will be automatically enabled when battery is between 10% and 60%, so we can enable that. Also reduce the refresh rate right here and enable dark mode. Going back, if you want to enable the dark mode manually, do it in display and brightness, and here we have the dark mode. While we're in here, we have the brightness, and you can enable or disable automatic, and when you disable it, just remember to turn it down a little or just keep it on. Then go back, and we have Sound and Haptics right here. Scroll down, and we have more sound settings, and here you can disable all the sounds to also save some battery. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.